girl.
This is Luke's first tooth.
Is that your first tooth?
He's trying to get pulled. Dad's getting the...
Here we go.
No, not even ready. Not even close yet, Luke.
Dad.
Okay, you're gonna help me by not talking. And you hold this down. You hold it down. No, I'm only doing one. I'm only gonna do the one real loose one. Okay, you hold your mouth down like that. You hold this lip down. Close your mouth a little bit. Close your mouth. So there we go. Okay, now you just hold it like that and look at me. Okay, I'm just going around the one tooth, Luke, okay? Just one tooth.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Just one tooth. Hold on. Hold on.
Ask the dentist if he knows what he's doing. Look.
Yeah, dentist daddy.
Hey, Dad, what are you doing?
Don't put your tongue there, bud.
Dad, do you want the scissors cut that little extra piece?
Dad, why can't you not do it?
I don't know, Luke. I got a helper here. Hold your lip down.
That tooth,
Slippery tooth.
that tooth is just gonna fall out, so
No.
all you'd have to do is just push on it right now, Jeff.
I know.
It'd be gone.
Give him like a Mike and Ike. That's how Mike and Ike's? Oh, you like Mike and Ike's?
Or how Cher got hers out, biting into an apple, and it's stuck in the apple
So classic.
at school.
Okay,
Oh,
don't move.
I don't want to do it.
what?
I don't
want to do it.
Okay.
Now you don't want to do it now that it's all set?
It's all set up. Wait. Don't. I don't want to hurt you, but don't pull it. Don't pull it. Look at Mom. Look at Mom. Oh, there there it is. It's out. It's here. Come here. Look, you got the blood going. Come here. Come here. Come here. It's out. Come here. Come here. Come here. It's here. You hold it. Come here.
We got it! Yay, Lukey!
Good job.
Dad was fast with that one.
Good job, Jeff.
Let us see your tooth. Let's see it. Look at that thing. Look at the long. Look at the long root on that.
Woo!
See that long Sharpie point?
You got it.
This is what was keeping it stuck in right there. This. See this little part right there? That little sharp part? That's what was keeping it in.
You know, I think the tooth fairy will give you 3 cents for that.
Oh, look at all that. Oh, make me throw up.
You got a big hole in your mouth now. But you got a little tooth coming in below it.
And now you get money for the
Good job, Luke.
Okay, that's it.
Good job.
Do you want to get out the other one right
You are sure a cute girl.
now? I love you.
I love you too.
I could feel
Are you
it.
gonna start talking like this?
What?
Let's see if
Say
you can
something.
whistle.
Say, I love everything here.
I love everything here.
That's good. Okay, open up. Bite down a little bit.
Say, I love getting my tooth pulled.
He looks like the boy in the Christmas story once he
Good
gets part of his
job.
tongue ripped off.
High five.
I know. Like.
See how sharp that tooth was down there? See that?
That's a cute tooth.